Hello, Barry from Quicksilver Exhaust here in the fabulous technology centre where I usually always am, and behind me is not only a scorching English summer's day, which is beautiful in itself, but we also have this wonderful Bentley Continental GT Speed with a W12 engine. This is one of the fastest models you can get from Bentley, and it looks totally gorgeous. It's just come off its photo shoot that we've done in the sun. It's chilling out. We're going to hear it rev up in a minute, but this has our system on it because from factory these are almost silent. Is that it? Our system opens the whole car up. It has active valve technology. To explain a little better, I will now insert Ben.
We use the car's OE valve function.
Yeah.
And in Bentley mode, the valve stays shut when you're not on the throttle, and then when you're on the throttle, the valve's open. Sport mode, valve's open the whole time, as loud as you want it. Comfort mode, valve's shut the whole time.
Thank you very much, Ben. Excellently said. I totally agree. And with our system, it really opens it up, helps it breathe, just gives it the sound and a real deep rumble and crackle that you really want. It's like thunder when this thing gets going. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Subscribe if you can to Quicksilver. We are doing cool stuff on cool cars and we want to make the world sound better. So let us know what you think and we will see you on the next one.